Industrial interior design is a style that celebrates the raw, rugged, and functional aspects of architecture and engineering. It is inspired by old factories, warehouses, and lofts, where exposed materials such as brick, metal, wood, and concrete create a distinct aesthetics. Industrial style is not only popular for commercial spaces but also for residential ones, as it can create a spacious, bright, and unique living environment. Hello everyone, Lulu here. Welcome to our channel where we share with you the best interior design ideas for your home, loft, or warehouse. In today's video, we will explore the amazing style of industrial interior design, from rustic to refined. You will see how to create stunning spaces that are spacious, bright, unique, and full of character using neutral colors, metallic accents, exposed elements, large windows, skylights, open floor plans, and a mix of styles. You will also learn how to add some personal touches such as art, accessories, and plants to make your space more cozy and inviting. One of the advantages of living spaces in interior design style is that they offer a lot of space and light, which can be used to create different zones and functions within the same area. For example, look at this amazing loft apartment that has a huge open space concept in a mix of modern and industrial styles. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and the bedroom are all connected, but separated by different furniture pieces and rugs. The brick wall, the metal and wooden poles, the exposed wood beams, and the wooden floor add some textures and character to the space, while the sofa, the armchair, and the coffee table create a cozy and inviting area. One of the advantages of lofts is that they offer a lot of space and light, which can be used to create different zones and functions within the same area. For example, look at this amazing loft apartment that has a huge open space concept in a mix of modern and industrial styles. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and the bedroom are all connected but separated by different furniture pieces and architectural elements. The brick and concrete wall, the metal poles, and the wooden floor add some texture and character to the space, while the living room furniture, the dining area, and the large kitchen with island and breakfast bar create a cozy and inviting living space. Here you can see a stunning industrial style master bedroom design with exposed brick wall, gorgeous hardwood floor and suite bathroom, and generous space for a working station. An important feature of industrial interior design is the use of large windows and skylights that allow natural light to flood the space. This creates a sense of openness and airiness, as well as highlighting the textures and details of the materials. For instance, Check out this amazing home interior that has an industrial look with huge windows, exposed wooden beams and hardwood floor, the solid furniture, the accent walls in blue and yellow, and the plants add some warmth and color to the space, while the decorative elements and the books add some style and personality. One of the advantages of lofts is that they offer a lot of space and light, which can be used to create different zones and functions within the same area. Another main feature of industrial interior design is the use of neutral colors, such as black, gray, white, and brown. These colors create a contrast with the metallic accents, such for example, a metallic stair and exposed elements that are characteristics of this style. As you can see, industrial interior design is a style that can create amazing spaces that are spacious, bright, unique, and full of character. Whether you live in a home, a loft, or a warehouse, you can achieve this look by using neutral colors, metallic accents, exposed elements, large windows, skylights, open floor plans, and a mix of styles. You can also add some personal touches, such as art, accessories, and plants, to make your space more cozy and inviting. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own industrial interior design project. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new uploads. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and have a great day.